Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will tell you how to avoid class obfuscation. Class obfuscation is the process of intentionally making class names difficult to understand or read in order to protect the intellectual property of the code. However, there are some situations where you may want to prevent class obfuscation, such as when you are developing an open source project and want to make it easy for other developers to understand your code. Here are some tips to prevent class obfuscation. The very first one is use descriptive class names. You should use meaningful and descriptive names for your classes and avoid the names that are difficult to understand. The second one is avoid using reserved keywords. You should avoid using reserved keyword in your class names as they might be replaced with obfuscated names. The next one is document your code. Document your code thoroughly. Explain the purpose and functionality of each class. This will make it easier for other developers to understand your code. The next one is use reflection. If you need to access a class by name, use reflection instead of hard coding the class name. With this way, even the class name is obfuscated, you can still access it by its original name. The last one is use annotations. Some programming languages provide annotations that can be used to indicate that a particular class or method should not be obfuscated. Use these annotations to protect your code from obfuscation. If you are using ProGuard to verify or optimize your code, in that case, by adding a keep rule to the ProGuard configuration file, you can prevent specific classes from being obfuscated. However, it is important to note that this can affect the overall level of obfuscation, as keeping certain classes unobfuscated can make it easier for attackers to reverse engineer the application. Therefore, it is important to carefully consider which classes should be kept unobfuscated and to balance the benefits of obfuscation against the risk of making certain classes easier to understand. That was all about how we can prevent class from obfuscation. I hope this video will help you to understand the concept.